Good evening, sir and ma'am. My name is Anshina Sonane. I represent the coaching Career Point, Career Spectra. I am from Pota International School. I have passed fifth standard with A grade, and now I am currently studying in sixth standard. I have qualified NSO and gotten the second rank and in gold medal, and I have qualified first level Homi Baba exam.
Very good. Sit down. Show me your notebook. Physics first. Maths. Chemistry and bio. Chemistry. What is double touch method, beta?
Double touch method is a technique in which two separate poles of two separate bar magnets are used to hit an iron piece simultaneously.
And what is single touch?
Single touch method is a technique in which one pole of a bar magnet is continuously stroked at one iron piece.
And what is Alnico?
Alnico is an artificial magnet which is made up of aluminium, nickel, and cobalt.
What is the atomic number of calcium?
Calcium comes at 19.
Atomic number of calcium.
Calcium.
Okay, what happens if carbon dioxide is disappear from the air?
When carbon dioxide disappears from the air, plants won't be able to do the process of photosynthesis to make their food.
Okay, and what happens to air when we move towards higher altitude?
When we move towards higher altitude, the air becomes thinner and oxygen levels go down.
Okay, can you tell me the different causes of air pollution?
The different causes of air pollution are the smoke emitted by industries, burning of fuel, and the running of cars.
What is tissue?
Sir, wait.
Which type of integer is zero?
Zero is neither positive nor negative.
Give me some examples of twin prime numbers.
Twin prime numbers 2, 2 and 3.
Give me example of prime numbers.
Some examples of prime number are 19, 2, 19 and 2.
What is composite numbers?
Composite numbers are the numbers which have more than 2 factors.
Examples.
Examples are 16 and 14.
Which is the smallest composite number?
The smallest composite number is 2.
2.
No. Smallest composite number is 4.
Okay. Yes.
Anis, what is tissue?
Tissue is made up of many cells.
Okay. What do you mean by osteoporosis?
Osteoporosis is a disease which commonly happens in elderly people, in which bones become more weaker and the chances of getting a fractures are increased.
Very good. What is the another name of synovial joint?
Synovial joint.
Okay, what is synovial joint?
Synovial joints, also known as slightly movable joints, are the joints which can be moved slightly in one direction.
अंश बेटा क्या बनना है आगे जाके? डॉक्टर? लक्षण दिख रहे हैं हाँ? डॉक्टर ना? बिल्कुल ओके. अच्छा मानो तुम डॉक्टर बन गए ओके और आप वर्क कर रहे हो बॉम्बे में. कहाँ पे? बॉम्बे में. अगर वहां पे किसी ने अगर पूछा कि भुसावल में क्या फेमस है, भुसावल को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे आप? क्या फेमस है भुसावल में?
भुसावल में
स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो भुसावल का?
Bhusawal is a small city, or even called a town. Um, it has many places to visit, and
Like?
like Tanarika Resort.
Okay. तहारी का रिसॉर्ट. Okay, yes. मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ यार.
हमें आजान बताएगा.
And RC का रेस्पेक्ट रहा, right? Yes. रेलवे कॉलोनी, ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री, right?
ओके अंश, तुम क्लास मॉनिटर हो.
Yes.
अच्छा, तो फिर तुम क्या मैनेज करते हो क्लास में?
जैसे कि जब टीचर जाती है तब बच्चों को मॉनिटर करना हो, चाहे ऐसा मतलब वो बातें
आप
ना.
हैंडल कर लेते हो बच्चों को?
हाँ.
क्या बात है यार, गुड. चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.